Hi there. Today we're assembling a Magidome at Jacob Creek Ranch, and follow along to see just how simple it is to build your own Magidome in your garden. Today we're using 8-foot length lumber and our amazing Magidome Geodesic dome connectors. We start out by building a pentagon on the ground and connecting each corner with a connector, as you see here. And then from the weeds we're growing up and toward the sky for pure, unbridled glory. Right, Jake? We're using wood screws to just set it in place, and then afterwards sealing the deal by drilling lag bolts into the beam. Make sure to use a ladder as we build upwards, and get some help with some friends so you're safe and making precious memories. Once assembled, we can turn this beauty into a greenhouse, a trellis, a yurt, or just a hanging space to drink coffee with your friends and family. Once you've got the base established and the walls up, it's time to start building the roof. Make sure to have friends and a ladder and a good sense of adventure. There you have it, folks. Magidome built at Jacob Creek Ranch. We're using this dome to grow some grapevines or some marigold flowers or something. It'll be great. And make sure to get someone to hold the ladder. And when you're done, contemplate using lag bolts after using the wood screws for the integrity that you crave. Otherwise, enjoy your dome building process and share with us your project at Magidome on socials. Ciao.